Hello there, welcome to my channel, and welcome to my self-care routine. Let's jump in. First, I want to acknowledge that self-care is not only taking care of our outer appearance, but also taking care of our mental, our spiritual, and our emotional health. Journaling feels like a prayer for me in the sense of relief that I get, so I highly encourage you to try it. Please remember to take care of yourself. So in the last year, my aunt has put me on to Essie nail polish, and I'm telling you, it is the equivalent of having a salon at home in a bottle. Their gel polish and top coat is amazing. It will do you wonders, I swear. And a little hack I love is to keep some press-on transparent nails for if your nails break and you want to keep the length. They're such a lifesaver. I love doing this because you know if you keep your natural nails longer, there's always one of them that decides to break, and now you don't have to sacrifice all of your nail length to keep it even. You can finesse. That's what we do over here, we finesse. I'm telling you right now, there is nothing more luxurious than self-care. Let's get into this wash day. I'm excited because I'm trying out a new brand. They are called Monday Haircare. I believe they came out last year at some point, or maybe 2019, but I saw them the other day in Ulta and picked them up because I'm all about some beautiful packaging. And y'all, I was really impressed by this wash day. In my opinion, their line would be a really great dupe for day hair care. If you were interested in trying out day but didn't want to commit to the almost $30 price tag, this is an excellent replacement. You're still getting that kind of pink aesthetic, which is important. You know, this is self-care. These little things matter. But you're also getting a fantastic product that smells really good. It is a luxurious experience, definitely. One con, though, I will say is that I noticed I ended up using a lot of the product, which is interesting. Also, side note, I really like the packaging for its mechanical purposes. The pump is very efficient, and I say that in comparison to Days, which is kind of faulty at times. I really do like the packaging. I like how thick it is. It's very sturdy for Monday Hair Care. Now, when I was in Ulta, I didn't realize that there were specific products for curly hair. Otherwise, I would have picked those up. But I ended up getting two that didn't even match. I got a moisture shampoo and then a gentle conditioner. Even though these products weren't geared towards something that I would look for in hair care products, I still really enjoyed my experience using them. For $7.99, you're getting 12 ounces of product. They are a clean beauty brand with no SLS or parabens. They are also cruelty-free and vegan, as well as sustainably packaged, with their bottles being 100% recyclable. I'm currently trying out this set of DIY lash extensions for around $20. The company is named Lilac Street, and all of their products are incredibly affordable. I can't believe how amazing quality these at-home lash extensions are. Honestly, when I'm doing this voiceover, it's been like 4 days or something, and they have not budged one bit. In real time, the whole thing took less than 20 minutes, and that includes me filming it, and it was my first time, so I know if I did this again, it would go way faster than that. If you put in just a little bit of research, you'll be surprised to find how many expensive services you can do right at home on a budget. So already we've given ourselves a salon experience with mani-pedi and lash extensions for the price of just a bottle of nail polish and lash glue. So since I took a daytime shower, I couldn't show you these two products that I love to use. They both contain retinol in them, so I can only use them at night. The Olay Cleansing and Renewal Body Wash, and this is the Coordinating Body Conditioner with B3 retinol as well. To be honest, I got them both because Jackie Aina recommended them. I really don't have acne, but I do get occasional pimples here and there. And since using it, I haven't gotten any pimples on my back, which is cool. I have long legs and I don't enjoy shaving them, so Nair is my absolute favorite thing to use on my legs. It really doesn't smell that bad, and you get such a super clean, super soft shave. For everything else, I just use regular shaving cream. If you are still buying women's shaving cream, specifically, you know, the pink or purple like frilly stuff, stop. Do not pay extra for the pink tax. Just get you a can of men's shaving cream. It's all the same. You're not gonna smell like a man. You get more product that is a really good quality for way cheaper. so it just makes sense. Now I do plan on making a more in-depth nighttime skincare routine, but for right now I'll just focus on what I do in the morning. It's super simple. If I'm in the shower, I'll just stand under the head and let the water run down my face, or if I'm over the sink, I'll just take some water and splash it and then dry it off. And then all I do is use moisturizer and sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I use in every single video. It is from Supergoop, their Unseen Sunscreen in SPF 40, and this is CeraVe's moisturizing cream. I use it because it's super thick and I do have dry skin, but I also started this really specific skincare journey, so I need something that's really rich. Most important thing about skincare is making sure you wash your hands first. It is so thick that it kind of pills up sometimes, which I don't like. Also, if you are wondering about my hair, after I get out the shower, I really just threw in some moisturizer and then I picked it and threw on a headband. I've been mostly protective styling my hair for the past few months because I don't really know what I'm doing with it at the moment. I've been really into headband wigs. Today I decided to go natural, but I didn't feel like doing the whole finger coil thing. It's a long process. It's definitely worth it though. If you haven't seen my video on it, I will link it up here. But yeah, I just ran some product through my hair and then took a pick and picked it out. The last kind of essential task that I do in my self-care routine, teeth whitening. It's a really easy process and it makes a huge difference. I use Crest 3D white strips in Vivid. It's really easy. All you have to do is brush your teeth first for 2 minutes, recommended. The strips look like this for the top and bottom row. You fold them over your teeth. I don't want to show it because it gets just a little bit nasty after you've left it on for around 30 minutes, which is what you're supposed to do with this specific kit. They advise to use it once per day, but I think they're just saying that so that you use more, you spend more money on the product. I only do mine like once a week or when I feel it's necessary. I don't think that you have to do it every single day. These are my before and after results from the very first time I ever used it. This is just one use result. And like I said, it makes a huge difference. So after that's done, you just want to brush your teeth again because it gets like really gross and white and nasty in your mouth and it tastes really bad. But it's cute in the end. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I really hope that this video helped you in some kind of way, or at least encouraged you to take a little bit of time throughout your week or even in your day to do something that's really special for you, to remind yourself of your worth and honestly how fabulous you are. I'm telling you, there is nothing more luxurious than self-care. And in the words of Ari Lennox, bye y'all, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.